Hey Samantha, just giving you a quick email. I spoke to Shankar last night, and he said that they're probably about a week away from having Zoho set up completely with like, as a marketing CRM with automation and all those sorts of tools that we need for the campaign right now. So what I've done is just create an active campaign for you guys. I've created under our in our portal, so it's all good. You won't need to do much here. But I'll just show you how I've set it up anyway. You probably see a couple of tests come through on email that I've run this morning. Um, but basically, I've got the list set up, so anyone who fills out the form on our landing page, so this one, I don't know, on the buyer's guide landing page, they'll then get added to this list. And then I've got the automated email going out to them. So it's just the email that we had running, that goes out with the guide. So I've set it up so you should get notifications every time someone comes in and joins that list. So you should be getting an email from ActiveCampaign that'll say something like someone has joined this list, or no, yeah, just an update. So that's all set up. I'm just going to get that running. And then if you don't get those notifications from ActiveCampaign, if you're not getting notified, obviously to then follow them up, let me know. But you should be getting an email and you should be able to click straight through to the list and get their details. So that's all set up. And then just give me a buzz if there's any questions around that. But for now, yeah, I'll chat to you soon. Thanks.